Hello, dear students of TYBSc Chemistry. I, Rohini Borse, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry of Arts, Commerce and Science College, Onde, Vikramgarh. Today, in this lecture, we are going to start Inorganic Chemistry paper for semester 5. As you all are familiar with the syllabus of Inorganic Chemistry paper for the semester 5. In this paper, total 4 units are there, and in this lecture we are going to start unit 3. Unit 3 is chemistry of elements, inner transition elements. Inner transition elements are nothing but the F block elements, and A block elements consist of two series, lanthanide series and actinide series. So this unit mainly consists of 5 topics. First, introduction, chemistry of lanthanides, occurrence of lanthanides, extraction and separation of lanthanides, and applications of lanthanides. We start with introduction part. In the periodic table, total 4 blocks are present, namely S block, P block, D block and A block. S block consists of two groups, group 1 and group 2. P block consists of 6 groups, group 13 to group 18. D block, that is transition elements, consist of 10 groups from group number 3 to 12. And A block, it is consist of two series, lanthanide series and actinide series. In this unit we are going to study in detail A block elements, and that too lanthanide series. Classification of A block elements. Depending upon whether the last electron enters 4f or 5f orbital, the A block elements are classified into two series. First is lanthanide series, second is the actinide series. Means there are two series are present in A block elements, and whether the last electron of particular element enters in 4f or 5f orbital, they are classified into two types. If the last electron enters in 4f, it will be lanthanide series, and if last electron enters in 5f orbital, it will be actinide series. First, lanthanide series. The elements in which the last electron enters one of the 4f orbitals are called as 4f block elements or first inner transition series or lanthanide series. Means the last electron of particular element which enters in 4f orbital. So as the last electron enters in 4f orbital, they are called as 4f block elements or first inner transition series. So in the lanthanide series, there are total 14 elements starting from cerium having atomic number 58 up to lutetium atomic number 71. These elements lie between lanthanum from D block to hafnium. So total 14 elements are there. These elements follow lanthanum, so they are called as lanthanides. Second series is actinide series. The elements in which the last electron enters one of the 5f orbitals are called as 5f block elements or second inner transition series or actinide series, because the last electron of particular element enters into 5f orbital. Hence they are called as 5a block elements. And second inner transition series. Again, these actinide series consist of total 14 elements from thorium having atomic number 90 up to lawrencium atomic number 103. These elements lie between actinium having atomic number 89 to cruchatomium having atomic number 104. These elements follow actinium from D block, so they are called as actinides. Position of A block elements in the periodic table. These elements consist of two series, that is lanthanide and actinide series, and both the series are placed at the bottom of the periodic table. All the elements from A block are placed in the group number 3. The group number of these elements is assigned depending upon the number of valence electrons, means depending upon the number of last shell in the atom of the element. These elements belong to 6th and 7th periods respectively, means lanthanides from 6th period while actinides from the 7th period of the periodic table. This is the general outline of periodic table. At the left corner there is S block having group number 1 and 2. At the right side P block is there having group number 13 to 18, and in between S block and P block at the middle there is a D block, also called as transition elements from group number 3 to group number 12, and at the bottom there is a F block, that is inner transition elements. Two series are there, lanthanide series and actinide series. Now we will discuss electronic configuration of lanthanides. In A block elements, the outer three principal shells are the F, D and S. All the three shells are incomplete since the outer general electronic configuration of A block elements is N-2 F1 to 14, N-1 D01 NS2. So last shell is S, that is NS2. N-1 D is the penultimate shell. N-2 F is the pre-penultimate shell. As we know that lanthanides, in case of lanthanides, the last electron enters into 4f orbital. So which orbital is there? 4f orbital. So the value of N-2 is 4. This is the general electronic configuration for the lanthanides, elements, atomic number, symbol, their expected configuration and their observed or actual electronic configuration. Starting with lanthanum having atomic number 58, symbol is La. Xenon is there. Xenon is the element from the stable electronic configuration of noble gas from the same period having atomic number 54. So valence shell 4f is 0, 5d1, 6s2 expected. Actual both are same in case of lanthanum. There is no electron in 4f orbital. Second, that is first element of lanthanide series, cerium having atomic number 58, symbol is Ce. Expected is 4f1, 5d1, 6s2 and observed is 4f2, 5d0, 6s2. Likewise, all the elements are there: cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium. Last element is lutetium, having symbol Lu, atomic number 71, xenon 4f 14 5d1 6s2. 4f orbital is full now, completed, having 14 electrons. 5d having 1 electron and 6s2. This is the electronic configuration for actinide series. Elements, atomic number, symbol, expected configuration, observed, actual configuration. Starting with actinium, atomic number 89, symbol is AC, expected configuration is 5f0 61 7s2. 5f is empty for in case of actinium. Then thorium is there, Th, up to lawrencium, having atomic number 103, symbol is Lw. Thank you.